Hello friends, myself from Jantan Durishi. In this session, we are going to learn Smart English. First, I will say you sorry because I am not making videos since last 2 weeks. So I know you are very excited for learn Smart English. Now I will promise you I will make videos on daily basis. So I don't want to take your too much time. We will start Smart English. So let's start. In this lesson, in this lecture, we are going to learn Smart English. Smart English. So let's start. First sentence is what do you do? What do you do? What you do? Or you can say what do you do? Both you can say. If you want to say to someone in smart English, what do you do? You don't have to say like this. You will say, what will you say? You will say that what are you up to? Now what will you say? What are you up to? In smart English, you will say that what are you up to? Now we are going to learn smart English. That's why you don't use general English sentences. You have to use smart English sentences. In general English, what we want to ask someone's profession. What do you do? What do you do, bro? So how would we ask? We ask that what are you up to? Don't ask what do you do. Now remember that if you want to if you want to ask someone's profession, how would you ask? You will say that what are you up to? I hope you will be better understanding. Now next sentence is where do you live? Where do you live? Where do you live? Next sentence is where do you live? Where do you live? Where do you live? In general English, we will say that where do you live? But in smart English, we don't have to say like this. We will say that where do you put up? How would we say? We say that where do you put up? Where do you put up? Where do you put up? In normal English, what we will say? We will say that where do you live? In smart English, what we will say? We will say that where do you put up? I hope you will better understanding where do you live and smart English where do you put up. Next sentence is may I go? If you want to ask if you want to ask teachers, may I go teacher? In general English, how would you say may I go teacher? But in smart English, we don't have to say like this. General English, how would we say? You will say that may I go? May I go? That is general English. But smart English, we don't have to say like this. We will say that shall I make a move? Shall I make a move? Shall I make a move? We will say that in smart English, or we can say that shall I push off? We can say also that shall I push off? Push off. That is general English. May I go? That is general English. But if you want to say this sentence in smart English, so how would you say? You will say that shall I make a move? Or you can say like this, shall I push off? I hope you will be better understanding. If you want to learn smart English, repeat with me whatever I am trying to say. Now next sentence is, I hope you will be better understanding. Now next sentence is, I started my business with a zero. 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 In that is general English. If you want to say in general English, that is general English. I started my business with a zero. In advanced English, in smart English, how would we say that sentence? We will say that I started my business with a scratch. I started my business. I started my business with a scratch. Don't say zero in smart English, huh? I started my business with a scratch. If you want to learn smart English, so repeat with me. I started my business with a scratch. Now next sentence is Harbhajan Singh is very happy. Harbhajan Singh, Harbhajan, Harbhajan, Harbhajan Singh, Harbhajan Singh is very happy. Harbhajan Singh is very happy. In general English, we will say that Harbhajan Singh is very, very happy. But in advanced English, we don't have to say like this. We will say that Harbhajan Singh is on a song. Harbhajan Singh is on a song. Is on a song. So it was our smart English. I hope you will be better understanding. For more videos, subscribe my channel. Any query, comment me.